What's up guys, Raul here with the Seat Shop, and today I'm going to be showing you where to find the VIN number on your vehicle. Now, if you've watched a few of our other videos, you'll remember that we explained the 17 characters and what they meant and how it came about. Now I'm going to show you where to find them on your vehicle. In this case, on my truck, on most vehicles, you're going to be able to see it on the bottom left corner on the driver's side of the windshield. But if that's a little bit too hard to read, which a lot of times it will be depending on the year of the vehicle and how faded it is and all that good stuff, they also put it in the door. Some vehicles will have it here on the door jamb. In my case, in my truck, it's going to be on the inside part here in the body. Now, if neither one of those are easy to read, believe it or not, you can also find it on your insurance card. So if you have a mobile app for your insurance, or you actually have a printed card, it will say the VIN number on there. So whenever you call in, just make sure you have that handy. We can identify the color and the seat that you have in your vehicle and get you taken care of. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, you can always get a hold of us at 214-710-2565. You can also email us at sales@theseatshop.com or reach out on Facebook and Instagram, and we will help you out with whatever we can. Appreciate it.